today, or last night really, natural disaster struck and it shut down so much rain that all of the businesses are flooded. So when the place you're staying is flooded, you help. It's the time to get going. So last night, the power kept going in and out, and I was like, okay, maybe like the storm's just kind of bad, and it sounds horrible, like there's lightning, thunder, the rain is so loud, and we're in an inside room, and we could hear it as if it was on top of us, and I just didn't think much of it. And then got up this morning to Danny and David knocking on our door, like right after our alarm went off, and I was like, wow, they must be really excited to do this next part of the Ha Giang Loop. And we opened the door and they're like, we're not going anywhere. And we're like, what are you talking about? We're not going anywhere. Like the streets flooded. And then we ran up, and then we came up, I'll put the footage over now, but we ran up to literally this, and literally everyone is shoveling stuff out of their shops. People are riding by on scooters and trying to get through the mud. And then there were some kids mattress surfing in the corner, if you see that. What an experience. Oh wow.
Oh, this mud is so squishy. All right. They're doing it over there.
Oh, are you okay?
So this truck back here tried passing, but I guess there's a tree laid down right in the middle. And now his truck is stuck in the middle of the street. And it's a bunch of chickens. Is he gonna make it? This is nuts. I have never seen anything like this in my whole life.
It's crazy because as you're walking through it, literally it's just mud and like tree branches under your feet, and your feet like slick all the way through. I don't know why he's coming back around. He gave up. I just don't think I don't think it's wise to walk through here.
All right, yeah. I was gonna show you down the street, but it's really not safe to do that, so I'm just gonna walk back.
So we were literally like pushing more stuff out, and then we saw this massive hoe come through and literally just push all the mud. Check it out. So after cleaning, we ended up taking a shower. We decided that we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next city. Even though we're not really gonna be able to film because it's still so rainy and muddy and everything, we wanna move on because since it is so rainy, we realize we're at the lowest point of the road. And if we stay here, we have a chance of getting like mudded in again. And we just don't wanna run that risk. So we're gonna go ahead and make our way over to Mealback. But I already took the bikes through the mud. Now it's time for us to walk through the mud.
Yay! Ăn cảm ơn rất nhiều, tạm biệt.
Thank you.
All right. Oh my God.
Follow me, you're gonna get muddy.
Ew. Slick. I'm wearing my teva, so I'm gripping like crazy. Oh wow, that is deep.
experience.
But also, this is what we're trying to prevent being stuck in. Yeah, Daniel, this is not gonna stop.
No, that's why I want to get out.
I think we made the right decision.
I agree.
This is like walking through a river.
It's getting worse.
Yeah, no, this is not
This wasn't a one. Yeah, this wasn't a one-time flooding.
Look behind you.
Yeah, I know. Annette, just wait till you look up the street. It's ridiculous.
Oh my God. While walking through here, we noticed that there's just rushing water all along the streets. And where we were located happened to be at the bottom of the street where it was like at its lowest point. So all of the mud and all of the flooding was focusing around that area. And guys, from the looks of it, it's not getting any better. So I think that we're making the right decision in moving forward. But I guess we'll find out. How you doing, bud?
Tell you when I get there.
The sweetest humans let us use their hoses and wipe our feet off because they were super duper muddy. Thank you so, so much. Kaman's that new?
Where are you from?
Me.
Me? Yeah.
Yes.
You guys want to eat while we're in the road? My feet are still so muddy and squishy in my shoes, but we're just gonna go with it.
Yeah. All right, let's get settled into the bike.
Today has been such a crapshoot. Literally, like, we're only leaving to avoid more mudslides and getting stuck again, but we are gonna take this so slow. So slow. We still have to drive on the side of a mountain. So, it's just luck. You got this. Watch out for the car.
So many people are like watching where we just came from and going like, nope, reverse. That's us. Continuously chasing adventures in places where we really shouldn't be.
My feet are soaked.
What the hell is going on here? Taking a little fall. Can you grab this really fast? My foot is so muddy.
So what happened?
We literally pulled over, like we were stopping, and all of a sudden the bike just went. Annette, Annette, why?
You told me.
I'm standing on mud. I'm so wet. Cold.
What a disaster.
But we can take these ponchos off.
My butt hurts so bad.
I was just saying to David I needed to get out of that poncho because
You were just over it. I told Daniel like I couldn't feel my butt cheek anymore, and my knee hurt, so I needed to stop. So that's why we stopped. Are you okay, baby?
Yeah. Watch out, guys.
Is my butt as muddy as it feels?
No.
it's more wet than anything.
More wet. Okay.
More wet.
This is the phone.
My toes are so wrinkly.
Oh yeah, mine too. Alrighty guys, so we took a stop because we couldn't feel our butts and then we fell. But the surroundings are beautiful. Here, I'll let Danny be the model this time. Go Danny, model for us in the mountains. Ooh, Get it, girl.
This is that I'm tired, fed up, cold, and wet look.
Yes.
No.
Keep being sexy on the Ha Giang Loop.